Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Leonard Josiah with the Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Services. Thanks for joining us. Together, let's take a look at your afternoon's tropical weather update, primarily giving you an outlook what will take place with Hurricane Lee as he passes towards the north of the island chain. This graphic also already tells the tale. We're looking at the passage of Hurricane Lee and its core of hurricane winds remaining well offshore. They're not forecast to impact us here in Antigua and Barbuda, the rest of the leewards or the British Virgin Islands. Most of the dangerous hurricane winds will remain well offshore. This particular graphic says that the higher chance that you will see these hurricane winds are going to remaining roughly about 200 to 300 miles off towards the east to northeast of the islands as Hurricane Lee makes its way towards the west to northwest over the Caribbean, over the Atlantic Ocean, just north of the island chain. The chances of seeing these particular winds get less and less as we go out in time, or we go right out towards the island chain for us in Antigua and Barbuda, this red particular dot, and the Leeward Islands, and even further towards the west. There's no chance that we will see these hurricane force winds or tropical storm conditions right here in our neck of the woods. But Hurricane Lee continues to have a broad expanse of clouds. Take a look at what you're seeing right here. A little bit of shear that you're pushing some of the clouds mainly off towards the east to northeast, but you're seeing the broad circulation in association with this. Some of the clouds propagating out means that some of those rain bands can possibly make their way here in Antigua and Barbuda, but the outlook is not necessarily great for a washout because of the dynamics of the storm passing well towards the north of the island chain. But I'm just hoping by Sunday or so, Sunday or Monday, some of the clouds in the southeastern side of this particular feature can make its way over here and we can get some nice rainfall from it. That's hoping by Sunday going on into Monday. But none of our forecast aids are suggesting anything more than an inch of a rainfall, if so much at all. But we're hoping that coming into the spotty clouds and some rain bands, we will certainly get some passing showers. The major impacts will be the swells. You're looking at this graphic right now. Here is where the storm is as 2 p.m. this afternoon. All this red that you're seeing are the dangerous surfs. Here are the island chain, Antigua and Barbuda, St. John's right here. You're looking at the Windward Islands further towards the south. You're also looking at the rest of the Leeward Islands right here and even further towards the west. But those dangerous surfs are just incoming. By tonight, models are suggesting that they will impact the eastern shoreline. And as the system passes towards the northeast, these dangerous conditions will wrap around our island shores, particularly along the northern periphery of the islands, bringing some swells that are in the region of 8 to 11 feet, making some very high surfs on the coastal areas. Those coastal areas are not going to be friendly for marine operations. By the way, they're going to be dangerous for even your sea bathing activities. If you can, please avoid those waters. So this afternoon, going on into tonight, a high surf warning is now in effect for Antigua, Barbuda, Anguilla, and the British Virgin Islands. We are looking for swells in the region of 8 to 11 feet. Those swells can generate dangerous surfs and rip currents, not friendly waters for the island chain and Antigua and Barbuda, the rest of the leewards and the British Virgin Islands. But if you're in St. Kitts and Montserrat, the surf is not going to be as high, but there is an advisory for you, Montserrat and St. Kitts and Nevis. We're looking for your territories to have swells in the region of 5 to 7 feet, still hazardous surfs and rip currents, meaning that there will not be friendly waters for your operations. We're going to be keeping our eyes on Hurricane Lee as it passes and give you the update as it comes to hand. But for right now, I'm Leonard Josiah saying good afternoon. If you like this video, you can always give us a thumbs up, or you can even subscribe to our channel to get the latest upcoming videos. Leonard Josiah saying, wishing you a pleasant afternoon. Goodbye.